this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can add a link on your Facebook profile. If you find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you hit the like button and subscribe to this channel to support me. To add any link, say your website link or even your other social media accounts link, such as Twitter or even YouTube, it is quite simple. Just head over to your profile picture here and then tap on it. And then you'll see your name under menu. Again, tap on it. To edit your profile, head down here until you see the option called Edit Profile, and then tap on it. And then scroll down until you see we have an option called Links here. To add a link, just tap on Add. And as you can see, we are told there are no links on your profile. To add, just head down here and you'll see an option to add new link. So I'll tap on it and then choose the type of a link you want to add from the media. For instance, I want to add a link from my YouTube channel. So I'll select YouTube. And then all I need to do is to enter my username. So let me enter my username. Just like that, a minute with AI, and then save. So the link has been added to your profile. Now I can close this, knowing very well that the link has been added and it is here. If you want to remove the link, you can still go ahead and remove it and change it to whatever you want. Now, if I go to my homepage and refresh it and then tap on my profile again, if I tap on this menu and scroll down, now you can see my details are here and I have a YouTube link, which is my username. So that's how you add a link on your Facebook profile. If it is a website, go ahead and also just add the website URL and it will be added. So if you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, if this video was helpful to you, kindly hit the like button and subscribe to this channel to support me. Thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.